Hi guys!
This is my Mina.
And this is my Arella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is.
I was just
Ito ang question ko. Do you like going to school to learn or prefer to stay at home and learn like the online school?
homeschool.
Oo, ano mas gusto mo? Going to school or just the home study or the
Homeschool.
online school o
Homeschool.
Di ba you experience naman nung nursery kasi siya
Na-skip ako ng kinder 1.
home base yun eh. Home base yung
ginawa
nursery
ko
eh.
home base.
Pandemic pa nun.
Na-skip ako ng kinder 1. So, this coming grade 1 na ako.
Oh, ngayon nga, halimbawa grade 1 ka, papipiliin ka. Anong gusto mo? Going to school to learn or just studying or school from home?
Real school.
You like going to school?
Yes,
Okay,
don't
why?
Well, in real school, when you have PE, you can see your friends. And in PE, I can go to the gym, I can learn something fun.
Okay, bakit pagka or may school from home or online school? Oo. Hindi mo magagawang mag-gym eh, no? Okay, understand. What else? Aside from during the PE subject, what else?
I can play with my friends.
You can play with your friends. Yun nga naman ang difference ng going to school and homeschool. Kasi you have a moment to bond with your classmates.
Kasi your classmates are more important than homeschool.
Yeah, you have a point. It's much better naman talaga. Aside from, what else?
And I love to see my teacher.
Nakikita mo naman sila sa sa online. Nakikita mo naman sila.
Hindi ko naman sila natatouch eh. Gusto ko, sabi ko, teacher, can I go to the CR? Teacher, am I done? I want to feel them.
Okay. Tama naman. Wala kang makulit na teacher, no? Hindi mo sila makulit. Well, you are right naman. You have a, tawag ba doon?
Homeschool.
At least, you have a personal interactions with your classmates and teachers. You are right naman. Okay, thank you for answering my question. Yeah,
I'm turning back into a frog when that's
Thank you for watching. God bless us all.
Bye.
Bye.